Hey guys, my name is Igor and I am a founder of Stock Creator Pro, a course where my team and I teach photographers and videographers how to sell their content on stock websites. You may ask, but what do you know about it? I am a professional stock filmmaker and photographer, living in Barcelona, Spain. After 7 years of working in this industry, I have more than 15,000 selling stock photos and videos in my portfolio, which allow me to pay my bills and develop my business. In this course, I will share all my secrets on how to understand what to shoot, how to shoot, where to upload, how to automate your process to have more free time for yourself. You will also know when to hire a team, how to work with freelancers, how to consistently grow your income and scale up step by step without taking huge financial risks. You will study how to understand by yourself what topics sell well or what don't sell at all. Also, I cover such important points as stock terms, understanding of licenses, how to avoid rejections from stock. I show the shooting preparation process, effective methods of post-production, how to work faster, and what software helps me to increase my speed 10x. Buying this course, you will not just receive access to the videos. This course includes a set of downloadable assets, which I update and add, for example, favorite LUTs, shooting checklist, budget calculators, etc. Also grant our members access to our private community in Facebook, where you can see what other stock creators do to succeed and share experience, ask questions, discuss works and news from the stock world. Here I will answer your questions in Q&A videos for members only. I post updates about the stock industry, reply to comments and check your works. And the most important part, with one-time payment you will get lifetime access to the course and to all its future content. You can watch it as many times as you want from your computer or phone. Stock Creator Pro is made for all levels of photographers and videographers. It is suitable both for beginners in this industry and for experienced content creators who want to monetize their work and sell them all over the world. This is official pre-launch. It means that we are constantly uploading new content and answering to as many questions as possible. For people who will become a part of our community during pre-launch, I offer a special price with 70% discount, which will never come back. Also, as a pre-launch bonus, you will have additional live Q&A classes and more access to our support, which will not be offered to anyone else after the course is fully completed. We are so confident in value we give that we offer you 30 days money-back guarantee. If you are not happy, contact us and we will refund you. Customer service is our big priority. If we can't help you, we don't want your money. If you have any questions about joining Stock Creator Pro community, feel free to mail me at igor@stockcreator.pro and see you inside of the course.